Good evening. Will England with the Sprint product ambassadors. We can finally talk about this today. Announced in our new 5G markets, our latest 5G phone, the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. It's easier to see over here. We're going to unbox this puppy today and see what's in your OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. It's available in select 5G markets today, and come September 6th, they will be available in all retail channels. So, the lid slides off nicely, leaving you with a red box. We pull the red box out. OnePlus. Very nice. Inside the red box, we have, brilliant, a red box and a clear polyurethane type screen protector, or I'm sorry, case protector. Slots cut out for the buttons in the right places. It doesn't have a polycarbonate shell around it like some do, but it should certainly help to protect it from bumps and drops. Inside the first red box, there's a second red envelope. In this envelope, we have our SIM tool, always handy to have, and the OnePlus safety hazards and sticker sets for your laptops. Very nice, and free stickers. I believe they may be part of the screen protector, but I'm going to go with the word stickers. It just makes better sense to me than screen protector. So we are not here to look at the paper in the box. You're here to see what's this phone all about. I think that says everything you need to know. Never settle. This is a mid-range price phone in the $700 to $800 range, depending on how much money you get and what kind of promotions Sprint's offering, with the Qualcomm 855 chipset, with a screen, videoing this on the Note 10, with a screen as big as the Note 10 and a body that's only slightly smaller. It's well wrapped, well protected when it comes from the factory for shipping. So we remove, and good night, look at that gorgeous blue. The OnePlus 5G Pro from Sprint. Triple camera action going on at the top. Flip it over. Curved. Other companies call it infinity edge, but basically a side bezel-less display. A power button on the left side. You have up and down volume rockers on the top. Your pop-up selfie camera. A microphone, and on the bottom you have your SIM tray, USB-C slot, and speaker. So there's a quick walk around of the OnePlus Pro 5G. Now remember, Sprint, while not having the highest 5G speeds, is focused heavily on getting the widest coverage area for 5G. Tomorrow we'll have this activated and go to a drive test to some of my favorite towers to see just how fast this phone will go. Quickly we'll see what else is in this box. Kind of a box of boxes with tabs and buttons. A paper cover for a massive wall wart. What is this beast? Power supply unit output 5 volt 2 amp 5 volt 6 amp for warp charge 30. So it has a 30 watt warp charge on your phone, hence the large case to handle the cooling and transformers. That's nice. Also in the box is an oval shaped box, which, well, my 90 percentile guess will be a USB-C to USB-A cable. And let's flip this, see if we can power this on real quick. I got under a minute or two. Dink. That must be a button lock there. I don't know. somebody is going to actually have to read the fine manual to figure this out. Oh, there we go. OnePlus, powered by Android. And we will just set this. Gravity. Not just a good idea, it's the law. We'll make, and there's that stick in place. Now, you can see that it is truly a bezel-less design. No top bezels.
This device features
Hush.
talkback, a navigation feature for the visually
Shut
challenged.
it.
To turn on top.
There we go. No top bezel, no bottom bezel, no side bezels. Where did they hide everything? It's pretty cool. We'll find out more coming up in the next few days. This is Will England with the Sprint Product Ambassadors, giving you your first look at the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G phone from Sprint.